Hi, my name's Debbie Gilbertson. I'm a retired registered nurse. I did that for 35 years, and I decided that I needed an ADA specific bathroom made in my home. A friend of mine suggested that I call Josh Reynolds, that everything she had ever seen him do, that he did a really good job on. So I called Josh, made an appointment with him. He came out, he gave me an estimate. It was very reasonable estimate, and I decided, I really liked him. He was a friendly person, very kind and nice, polite. And the next week, he did come out and they started demolition on the 4th bedroom and our bathroom that we had. We were making it a combination. And he had a lot of workers that worked under him that he had a good rapport with. He had his own team. He had a cabinet maker, a painter, a tiler, electrician, and an HVAC man that came out. And I always had someone out here almost every day, so it went quite quickly. Anytime I had a question about something, I could text him or call him and he would answer or text back quickly. When I had to go to the tile store and pick those combinations out, he met me there, and he likes interior design, so he helped me pick out those tiles that I wanted and the floor that I wanted. He also knew what to tell the person, the extras that you need for all of that, and I was very grateful for that. He did an excellent job. We're very satisfied with what he's done. Anytime anyone comes over, we say, "Do you want to go see the bathroom?" And they're like, "Okay," and they're very impressed with that. The specifics that I wanted for my bathroom, I could not have any lip of any kind because of the equipment that I had to take in there. I couldn't get it over the humps and bumps, so I had to have a shower that was open, one that would drain into the drain, kind of sloped. And the tile person that came out did a great job making that happen. I didn't know exactly what kind of cabinets I wanted, and he helped me design those, and I think it turned out really well. He designed the mirror with the lights on the mirror that I really liked that a lot. That turned out very well. I needed a lot of lighting in there, so I have a lot of cam light and vent light. He always told me, "You don't really know what's behind every wall," and sure enough, we had the HVAC intake tube right in the middle of the floor. So we couldn't have that, right in the middle of the bathroom. So we had to move that. He got that all choreographed, so it was moved out of the way. It's behind the shower now. And that helped a lot. You just don't know what you're gonna run into when you start tearing down walls. Reynolds Renovation did all the demolition. He did make a shower for me. He made all the cabinets for me, installed that, the sink. I have a bathtub. I have a shower bathtub combination also, along with the toilet. The flooring was done, so everything from the ceiling to the floor for my bathroom was done by Reynolds Renovation. Reynolds Renovation was a very, very easy process. It was done very quickly. I didn't know that it'd be done so quickly. I was very happy about that. And he was very communicative. Anytime I texted or called, he got right back with me. He always told me who was going to be here the next day, and it was almost every day someone was here, so he made sure that something was happening in the bathroom every day to get it finished. I would recommend him highly. If I need to do any more renovations, I for sure am going to call Reynolds Renovations to help. They did a great job. I'm very satisfied.